For the first time in its history, the annual NADA show is going virtual. We're bringing the show to you. All the excitement, industry news, education, and top exhibitors you've come to expect will be available from your home or dealership. Plus new featured content and information relevant to every dealership, no matter where you are. And without the cost of travel, it's easier than ever for every department in your store to attend. All the excitement you expect from the NADA show is coming to you virtually. Dynamic speakers, more than 60 education sessions, both live and on demand, franchise meetings, dealer networking receptions, and of course, the NADA Expo, the virtual dealer marketplace where business gets done. This is the virtual auto industry event of the year, and it's happening wherever you are, Tuesday, February 9th through Thursday, February 11th. Register today to join the experience.